Congratulations on your new Penelope sofa wall bed. In this video, we'll show you how to assemble and install your wall bed step by step. This video will serve as a companion to the instructional manual included with your order, so be sure to follow along. First, take a moment to check that you've received all of the boxes for your order. Your Penelope sofa will have shipped flat packed in multiple boxes. The total number of boxes will be noted on your packing list. Make sure you have all the necessary tools. You will need 2 people, a medium ladder, a level, a tape measure, a flathead or number 3 Phillips head screwdriver, a drill, a 1/2-inch drill bit for optional wand lighting, a stud finder, a rubber mallet, and a pencil. You will also need the Allen wrenches, screws, and other hardware included in your assembly kit. Be aware that your wall bed must be screwed into the wall using the proper anchors for your wall material. The anchors included in your assembly kit are intended for concrete walls only. Walls with wooden studs should use wood screws drilled into at least 3 studs. For all other wall compositions, please consult a contractor. Finally, take a moment to review all the panels and components that arrived in your boxes. These are all labeled in your instruction manual. Now, we are ready to get started. Let's begin by assembling the wall bed structure. Screw 4 pins into both the right and left vertical side panels. Attach the horizontal top and bottom panels to the side panels, positioning the pins into the holes, using your rubber mallet to lightly tap them into place. Lastly, insert and tighten the cams. Now attach the back panels. Begin with the lower back panel, attaching it to the bottom half of the structure using wood screws. Then attach the spline, inserting it into the groove and tapping it into place with the rubber mallet. The spline will join the lower and upper back panels at the seam. Finally, place the upper back panel on top of the spline, inserting it into the structure at a slight angle. Attach the upper back panel using more wood screws. If you have purchased optional wand lights for your wall bed, you can install these now. To begin, measure 55¼ inches up from the bottom of the structure, making sure the end of your tape measure starts on the inside of the panel. Mark with a pencil. Take the wand light mounting plate and lay it flush against the inside of the vertical panel. Use your pencil to trace a circle in the center of the mounting plate, marking where to drill. Using your 1/2-inch drill bit, drill a hole into the center of the circle. Install the mounting plate to the back panel using wood screws, making sure to align the holes. Finally, screw on the cover plate and attach the light fixture. Run the cord along the back of the wall bed. If you purchased an optional headboard for your wall bed, now's the time to attach it. Begin by marking the position of the headboard. Measure 45 inches up from the inside of the bottom panel. Mark with a pencil in at least 3 places to ensure the headboard is level. Now apply the peel and stick Velcro included in your assembly kit to the back of the headboard. Align the top of the headboard along with your markings and press firmly. Make sure the structure is level and plumb. To compensate for any floor unevenness, use the 4mm Allen wrench to adjust the feet at the bottom to level the structure. At this step, you may need to cut and remove any baseboard molding to allow the bed to lay flush against the wall. Now, for the most important step, securely attaching your system to the wall. If installing on a wall with wooden studs, use a stud finder to identify and mark them. If you're installing on any other type of wall composition, you must use the proper anchors suitable for your wall's material. Consult a contractor or installer if you're unsure of which type of anchor to use. For demonstration purposes, we'll be installing on a wall with wooden studs. Note that your wall bed must be secured into at least 3 studs in order to ensure a proper and safe installation. Once you've marked your studs, screw the angle mounting brackets to the wall using hex screws and washers, positioning the brackets along your markings. Tighten the hex screws and adjust as needed. Finally, secure the brackets to the top of the structure using the remaining hex screws and the 3.5 by 20 mm screws. Your well bed is now securely mounted to the wall. Before inserting the bed base, install the mattress bar. Locate the holes at the head of the bed base and align each end of the mattress bar with the holes. Attach the mattress bar using the pre-installed hex screws and Allen wrench. To insert the bed base, locate the 2 metal pivot points on the inside of the vertical panels. Position the rectangle plates into the pivot points at a 45-degree angle and slide it into place until it's securely locked into the housing. You will feel the bed base drop into the housing, signifying that it's securely into place. With the bed base inserted, close the bed and attach it to the structure using 2 hex screws on either side. With the structure fully assembled and mounted to the wall, you're ready to assemble the sofa. Open the bed and attach the triangular sofa base plates to the bed frame, using 2 hex screws on each side. These metal plates ensure the sofa seat stays secured to the bed at all times. Now attach the sofa frame to the triangular plates. Align the sofa frame like so and secure it to the plates using 1 hex screw and 1 conical washer on each side. To attach the sofa arms, insert the 8 wooden dowels into the top 4 holes located on the left and right vertical panels. Insert and secure the threaded rods into the lowest hole on each side. Position the armrest, lining up the holes with the dowels and rods. Lightly tap the armrest into place with your rubber mallet. To fully secure the armrest, you'll need to tighten the hardware. Gently lift up the fabric on the outer corners of the armrest to access the threaded rods. Attach a rectangular washer and 2 nuts to each rod and tighten firmly. Attach 2 metal angle brackets to the horizontal bottom panel. You need 2 screws and 2 washers on each side. Then, secure the metal angled brackets to each armrest using 2 machine bolts, 2 nuts, and 4 washers. To complete your sofa, locate the 2 levers on the front of the sofa frame. Lower the sofa seat and attach the levers to the metal angle brackets. Use 2 hex screws and 2 conical washers on either side. Finally, place your backrest cushions, curl up, and get comfortable. Your Penelope sofa wall bed is now complete. To safely open your Penelope sofa, remove the backrest cushions, then locate one of the metal legs that are recessed on either side of the bed frame. Pull out the bottom of one of the legs and lift it to about 30 degrees to release the safety latch. Continue to pull down gently and support the bed frame until it reaches the floor. You should hear an audible click, signifying the bed is fully open and safe to use. To close the bed, first remove your bed pillows and tuck in any bedding. Then secure the mattress with the mattress straps. Make sure the legs are firmly on the floor, then press the lever on either side to release the locking mechanism. While holding the lever down, start to pull up on the bed frame. Now you can release the lever and continue to push the bed frame up. Walk forward with it, pushing until it reaches its upright position. You will hear another click as both latches lock into place. Now you're ready for your Penelope sofa! We hope you find this video helpful and that your new wall bed brings you many years of comfort, style, and flexibility.